open-billed stork. Open-billed stork sitting on the mango tree. Open-billed stork. Posterior side black, brownish color. Neck clearly visible. Open-billed stork or adjutant stork. Adjutant stork. Open-billed stork clearly visible on the mango tree. Posterior side black. The wings posterior side black. Clearly visible. Neck and beak. Open-billed stork sitting on the mango tree. Very interesting bird. Pretty bird. मैं भारत का रहने वाला हूँ. भारत की याद बात सुनाता हूँ. मैं भारत का रहने वाला हूँ. भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ. Love this bird. Conserve this bird. Conserve the nature. Protect the nature. Nature is all in all. है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा. मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ. भारत का रहने वाला हूँ. भारत की याद सुनाता हूँ. है रीत जहाँ की प्रीत सदा. मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ. भारत का रहने वाला हूँ. भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ. Very beautiful bird. Very interesting bird. Love nature. Protect nature. Open-billed stork sitting on the mango tree. Open-billed stork sitting on the MANGIFERA indica arm. Very interesting scene. Very interesting scene of this bird expanding his wing on the tree, cleaning and expanding his wing. Very interesting. And this beautiful bird on the mango tree. Lovely bird on the mango tree. Open-billed stork. Open-billed stork. Open-billed stork. Very interesting bird. Very interesting bird. Open-billed stork. Open-billed stork. Clearly visible. In the abyss. In the abyss. Phylum Chordata. Class abyss. The study of birds called ornithology. The study of birds called ornithology or ornithology. Aviary bird derived from apes. This is the bird is cleaning his wings from beak. Very interesting bird.